Hello everyone, welcome to Code and Tuts. If you are satisfied with my videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you know when updates are available. In this video, I will show you how to make one column for mobile size. In the last video, I showed you how to use Bootstrap. I showed you how the mobile button works. You add in the Bootstrap code from the Bootstrap page in order to get the mobile button to work. And I showed you how to insert several columns in a fluid grid from Bootstrap. Now I will show you how to use a media query in order for all the columns to show up in one column. So all you need is this code here. At media, I put a max width of 767 pixels because that's where the breakpoint is. And here, let's see, what have I done here? Okay, I've created another class of column. So here I have columns 1 through 5 twice. If the window size is larger than 767 pixels, then this is how the columns will display. So this is why for class of column, it displays none as a default. Now, when the window size is 767 pixels or less, then the class of column shows, which is this class, which displays one column. And notice I have columns twice, has 2 rows. Columns display none. And I have to put the important flag so that it's required that it shouldn't show when it's this size or smaller. See, notice the sizes that as I'm resizing it, 768, 767. See, it's less than 767 pixels. So this is how media queries work. Whenever you want a different styling for different sizes, you use media queries on whichever the breakpoint is. You can either use max width if you're using desktop first, or minimum width if you're using mobile first. I started off with desktop first. Mobile first is when you're starting off creating something on the mobile size and then eventually decrease out to desktop size. It's the other way around when you're resizing columns. So that is all I have to explain for different sizes for different devices using media queries. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to type it out in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy any of my videos and learn from them. Have a great day. Take care.